Empower, empower, empower. Africa, stand up now. Africa, stand up now. Africa, stand up. Kenya to the world, water flowing non-stop. From Nairobi down to Kisumu side. Every dealer know the brand worldwide. Empower pumps pulling water from deep. Strong performers never miss a beat. Motors running smooth like everyday vibes. Heavy duty power keeping dreams alive. Shot, shot, empower. Yeah. Africa, stand up now. Water flowing. We never backing down. From the farms to the city, we running this ground. Empower systems, best equipment around. Empower. Yeah. Let the whole world know Kenya rising up. Watch the water flow. Control panel smart, protecting the flow. Empower systems always stealing the show. 2 PVC pipes and stainless steel strong. Built for Africa where the work goes along. From farms to estates, communities thrive. Empower bringing water, keeping hope alive. Show every borehole pumping day and night. Quality equipment, everything running right. Asambe. Africa, stand up now. Water flowing. We never backing down. From the farms to the city, we running this ground. Empower systems, best equipment around. Oh, empower, yeah. Let the whole world know Kenya rising up. Watch the water flow. Africa, stand up now. Africa, stand